dining area, and we had a major challenge in this house with light. Light is so important. You want to really light up a space. You want it to feel airy and bright. The challenge we had here, we had one recessed can above the dining table. That is not enough light. And we didn't have a lot of light in the kitchen either. The other thing was, okay, we're out of money. We've got nothing left in the budget. So I had to find a budget-friendly thing to do with this. So I stopped at Habitat. So check this out. One of my favorite Habitat finds ever. This is amazing to me. I cannot believe I got this for $35. You can see I've been experimenting. I know which colors I want to do. I did not do the speckled paint, in case you're wondering, but this is what we had to deal with. So for $35, we will deal with it. So here's where I was kind of experimenting, and we've done a few things. I think this color is going to be really nice. I don't know if the speckles are showing through. We might have to hit it again. Again, I'm using chalk paint. The two colors that I'm going to use for this, Waverly has one that I really love. It's called Silver Lining, and it is this one right here. Really nice. And then again, this is Waverly. This is called Ink, and it's basically just black. So what it really came down to was just these two colors. And I'm just gonna stipple them on. So one of our issues in this situation was that we had a very traditional chandelier in the living room, which we had to keep. And then we had some very industrial, extremely industrial, pendant lights, and then a center fixture in the kitchen. So I'm like, where in the world am I gonna find a fixture that incorporates this traditional chandelier with these industrial fixtures? And when this is all together, you'll see, it really brings it all together. Habitat, $35. Who would ever think I would find the perfect thing in Habitat? But I did. I could just mix these together if I really wanted it to be simple, but I don't want it to look entirely flat. I want it to at least have a tiny bit of dimension, so it's not totally solid. And that's why I'm applying these two colors individually. I'm just stippling them with each other. All right, I think we're done. That was faster than spray painting. Spray painting, we would have had paint flying all over the place. It's really kind of windy today, and we would have needed multiple coats. This thing's totally covered. I mean, I'm not saying I won't see a few spots when I put it up, but that's the beauty of chalk paint. You just go back in and touch it up. Pretty amazing. I think it looks great. I can't wait to see this go up. Ta-da! Here it is, our Designaholic Rehab DIY. I am so excited. I mean, this grand masterpiece of a light fixture from its humble beginnings at the Habitat Restore for $35. I didn't even think it was gonna come out this good, and I'm so excited. Talk about make a difference in the space. Actually, I think it literally made the space. So there you go, you don't have to spend a ton of money. Keep your eyes open for good deals, and chalk paint is your friend. We are the Designaholics. I am Carrie Lawless, and we want you to join the Designaholic family. All you have to do is click the subscribe button, ring the little bell, and you will get notifications of all our new content coming up.